Now, in order to monetize your sports videos on YouTube, be it a highlight commentary, Champions League highlights, or any other sort of football video content, the video has to be an original work, and it also has to fall under the YouTube Fair Use guidelines. You have to transform the copyrighted material to your own original work to avoid any copyright claims. So yes, football highlight videos can be monetized on YouTube if you follow the necessary steps that YouTube requires. Having said that, your channel first needs to hit at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be able to qualify for the YouTube advertisement program. Of course, just like I already mentioned, your videos need to follow the YouTube Fair Use guidelines. After hitting the requirements that YouTube set for you, that is the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you also need to create an AdSense account and link it to your YouTube channel. You'll find the step-by-step process on how to create an AdSense account by clicking on the link in the resource box below. Now, ads revenue is just one way of making money on YouTube. There are of course many other ways to make 2 or even 3 times the amount of money you can make with YouTube ads. You see, ads revenue is the most obvious way to make money on YouTube, but it's not the only way, or to be honest, the best way. Here is a spoiler alert for you. The best way to make money on YouTube is basically all the ways. Did you know that you can monetize background sounds in your highlight videos and get paid for that? Yeah, that's right. A few years back, creators were using music of upcoming artists in their highlight videos as background sounds after arranging with the artists to claim the video for copyright so that they can both share the money instead of losing it all to another music company. Sneaky, right? So take for example, if you just go through some of the old highlight videos on YouTube, it will not take you long to find videos that are using the name Rian and Z songs in their videos. Some of the videos on this channel, for example, uses the Rian song. Now, if you go to the description box of this video, for example, you'll see that it's using Rian's songs. The Messi Boss channel is another example of a channel using Rihan's songs, and here is another one. Now what these channel owners do is they contact Rihan through Facebook and ask if they can work with him. Now if Rihan accepts, you can use any of his songs in your videos and he will claim it, and any ads earning on that video will be shared between Rihan's production company, the Creative Music Group, Rihan himself, as well as you, the creator. To be honest with you, I don't know if it's still possible to work with Rihan since he's already too big in the game, but this is a strategy you might want to try out with other upcoming artists. Now before we move to the second way you can start making money with your football highlight videos, I would just like to draw your attention to this video tutorial, a step-by-step process on how to edit and upload football highlight videos on YouTube. It will show you a list of websites to download full matches and how to download them from these websites, how to split the videos and how long you want to split the videos, all those type of things. The tutorial will also show you this 2-part video on how to transform your videos following the YouTube Fair Use guidelines. It will show you all the effects for transformation and when to use them. Look, with the World Cup approaching, if you have been thinking of starting a football highlight channel on YouTube, then you want to click the first link below this video and check this video tutorial out. Now, moving on. The second way to start making money, any reasonable amount of money with your highlight videos on YouTube, is with affiliate marketing. Take for example, you can create a highlight video on the 5 best Kylian Mbappe's moves in 2022 and then add a link to an online shop as an affiliate that sells Kylian Mbappe's jerseys. Now, among all your viewers, there will be some hardcore Kylian Mbappe's fans that will easily click on the link to check your online shop. If any of the viewers then ends up purchasing any of the items in the online shop, you will get some commission from the store for sending a potential customer to their website. Take the Amazon affiliate program for example. You can join the Amazon affiliate program and start promoting links to books about players' autobiography so your viewers can learn more about their favorite players. There are also motivation books and other football related products on Amazon. There are also soccer gears on Amazon that will definitely interest some of your channel viewers. Make sure to check out the video link in the resource box below for a video on how to join the Amazon affiliate program if you are not already a member. Soccer Loco is another affiliate program that you can join and start promoting sports gear through their network. It's free to join the Soccer Loco affiliate program. All you need to do is to fill up the sign up form and follow the instructions given to start making some commissions. So the Soccer Loco website rewards you through a commission structure that rewards level of effort. Take for example, if you sell a gear worth 6,000, you earn an 8% commission, but if you make a sale that exceeds 12,000, for example, you get a 10% commission. The only thing to note on this website is that the cookies last for just 30 days. Now, if you haven't noticed, each league team also has an online shop where they sell their branded gears. That's another type of site you can join as an affiliate and start making some commission promoting the online shop. You'll find a list of other affiliate programs like these by clicking on the link in the resource box below this video. The third way of making money, even more money, with your highlight videos is to start a sports blog. You can easily start blogging about your opinions of matches, players, and so on, and add your channel videos wherever necessary. If you need to add some football stats into your blog post, you are just a search away from Google to get an answer, or just use the Y-Scout website as I showed you in the second video tutorial in this video course. With a blog, you can run Google Ads, private ad space for other bloggers just starting out in the same niche, or even established websites. So if you have ever come across a blog with a space where it says advertise with us or run your ads here, that's what I'm talking about. Other blogs or advertisers who are interested in your audience will not think twice to pay for the ad space, but you want to make sure to ask an upfront payment before the ad is made public. Again, with a blog, you will have enough space to promote other affiliate programs, giving your viewers and readers many options, which will only go a long way to make you even more money. There are many other ways to make money with your highlight videos. It all depends on the stage and level of your channel growth, but the methods I just showed you in this video are the most common ways to get started as a beginner on YouTube. Again, don't forget to check out the video tutorial I mentioned in the beginning of this video. With all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share it on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.